What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era, and today we are back here at another show. We got Viva as a special guest, and we even brought her little doggy teddy bear. So we just got over here. It was about an hour drive. I forgot to record an intro when we left the house, but we're here. We're gonna walk around a little bit. We'll show you guys what's out here. All right, so we're gonna walk around. Build us a park next to a couple Fords. Viva's over here. We're gonna walk around. You're walking Teddy. Yeah, you're walking Teddy. So I'll pick you guys up when we find some other trucks. Alright, so we've been walking around. This show is really good, but not a whole bunch of trucks, just a lot of like supercars and stuff. Viva's ready to go. So it's Teddy. So gonna close up, drive around a couple more times, and then head back home. So we'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so just made it back to my house, and that means the video is over. So, as always, if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, consider giving us a thumbs up. If you got any questions, comments, drop them down below. And if you want some merch, I got hats like this, shirts, all types of goodies. Head over to FordEra.com. Catch you in the next one.